If it is finished, then tell me.
Over, sir.
Over. Now we try to explain you what is the meaning of, in same way, sine number. Unsigned number. Okay. So the range of unsigned number is very simple because there is no provision to represent the signed digit. That's why you consider the same example of 8-bit. All bits can be used to indicate what? Magnitude. Right? So we can write the general formula for range as minus 2 to the power directly n we can write. No, there is no minus. I'm sorry. There is no minus in unsigned. The range is starts from 0 and go up to 2 to the power n, not minus 1, but minus 1 is there in the numerator because 0 is included in positive, unsigned number as one of the positive number. Example, if n is equal to 8, the range will be 0 to 2 to the power 8 minus 1. This will be how much? 0 to 255. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
So, in hexadecimal representation, we can write like this. First number is 0, 0, and the last number is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, there is no significance of sign. So, whatever may be the last digit, it may be 0 or it may be 1, never mind, all numbers are positive. So, this is nothing but if you try to represent this in decimal, this is 0 and this is what? How much? Eligible?
255.
250. Great. So, I am moving further. Can I rub the board? Have you taken this?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Sohail, please answer.
Yes, sir.
Maslauddin Siddiqui, are you there?
Sir, I was just about to finish.
Okay. Nawaz Khan, are you there? Nawaz Khan. You are not there? Sonu Khan, are you there? Priya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Swapna? So, I need your attention. Even though I'm asking specifically, you're not responding. What it means, I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please pay attention, concentrate. These things are very useful. Okay, now I'm moving further. Going to next data type. In last class, remember I have covered numeric data type and given explanation about floating number, then introduce integer number, then introduce complex numbers. Now I'm moving to next data type, which is nothing but Boolean data type. Please make a note of it. Now I'm trying to discuss Boolean data type. Achha, can I demonstrate before going to Boolean data type? No. First I will try to cover all, then I will demonstrate. Boolean data type. Boolean data type discussion is very simple, but I am covering this particular concept with respect to CLAD certification course. If you are interested, you can go for it. It is of LabVIEW programming. Okay, there are basically two types of Boolean data type. First one, switch one. First one is switch. Second one, latch. The difference between these two is switch is not having any capacity to hold data, but latch is having capacity to hold data. But before going into classification of Boolean data type, let me make it very clear. Boolean data type means it can represent a number either in the form of 0 or 1. Hope it is clear to everybody. Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear.
So there are actually two types. One is switch, another one latch. Switch is like our conventional mechanical switch. When we press the information, yes goes. When we don't press the information, no goes. Meaning, if we want to perform on operation, we press the switch, and if we want to perform off operation, we don't press the switch. Right? This the same applies to the switch data type. About latch, you might have seen there are some switches which is having capacity to hold data. Example, have you seen ports of 8051? Anybody remember about ports of 8051?
Microcontrollers.
Yes. There are 4 ports, right? P0, P1, P2, and P3, right? We can write program for these ports. Move P1 comma hash 00. Any idea about this thing? What are these ports?
This have to be stored in P1, sir.
Yeah, they have the capacity not only to pass logic 1 or logic 0 information, but also to hold it. So समझ जाओ, it contains two features. One is holding feature, another what? Boolean switching. So in short, we can write about latch as it's a switch plus memory. It's a switch with memory. Please make a note of it. Then I will take you to further down of switch and latch.
Done, sir.
Yeah. There are 3 different types of switches. I want answer from other students also. Okay. There are actually 3 types of switches. First, switch when release. It is the name of switch. Its name is switch one release, and the second one switch when press, and third one switch until release. Please make a note of it. There are again 3 types of switch data type. First one type is switch, SWITCHED. Switch when release. It's not switched, it is just switch. Switch when release. The meaning of this is When the button is released, then high information goes. And the meaning of this type of switch is when we press, high information goes. And the meaning of until release is the number of pulses will be going till we press. If we release, pulses stop going. First you make a note of it, then I will give a word about this, then I will give a word about this as well as this. Have you taken the three names?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write about switch when release. Write on. Output changes. Please write about this. Output changes only when button is released. Output changes only when button is released. Only when button is released. I will demonstrate this with the help of a built-in example available in LabVIEW. The reason why I am showing this is if you are going to attempt the examination, certification examination of CLAD, then these things are necessary. लिख लिए? Output changes when the button is
Released.
released, right? Right about the second one. Switch when press. Right about this. Output changes with clock frequency. Output changes with clock frequency.
Sir, with
Clock frequency. Clock.
clock. Okay.
Yeah. Output changes with clock frequency if switch is in operating mode. If switch is in operating mode. If switch is in operating mode. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Write about the third one. Until release. Switch until release. Output changes. Output changes multiple times. Output changes multiple times till the switch is released. 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 Okay, is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sohail, please answer. Is it clear? Sohail,
Yes.
are you on? Sohail, you are not standing in front of judge. Okay, be casual. Sohail, CM Sohail. चलिए सोहेल चले गए क्या? Okay. Replace the word switch and write latch. Here also we have three types. Latch, when release. Latch,
When pressed.
yes. Same words, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm moving to next data type, that is enumerated data type. I think this is fourth one, enumerated data type. Write a word about this. It is a combination of,
Sir, enumerated.
yeah, ENUM,
Yes, sir.
new rated.
Yes, sir.
You might have seen this thing in C++ programming also. Have you seen? No problem. It's a combination of, it's a combination of different data types. It's a combination of different data types. Example, suppose I'm showing you an example of C++. I will demonstrate about enumerated data type in VI little later. Suppose we want to have a data type for month. So we will write like this: enum followed by month, and in the bracket we will write January, comma, February, comma, March, and so on up to last one, December. So month will become a new data type, and the values for this available are January, February, March, so on up to December. So I can use this month to create a new data type. Suppose month followed by A. So A, I am writing, I am using A. If A is equal to January, right? Then perform some operation. Like that, we do operation with the help of enumerated data type. There are many applications of enumerated data type. We can use this for representation of colors. We can use this for many different applications wherein we want to create a combination of different data types. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah, I will demonstrate about this in my lab view. Next,
Okay,
write
sir.
on last one. Last, dynamic data type. Dynamic data type. Just a word about this, write on. It is used in, write a word about this. It is used in, it is mostly used in, it is mostly used in Express VI. I will tell you what is this Express VI. It is mostly used in Express VI. So this finished our data type discussion. Now I'm taking you to VI simulation. Please make a note of it. If it is over, then I will move to the demonstration. Over, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm opening a VI, making the font size to be 36. Okay, to demonstrate data type, I'm taking in front panel different data types. I'm taking numeric control. Okay, then next I'm taking Boolean control. Third, first let us complete these two things. In addition to this, I need to show you about the integer data type. I'm just copying this. Copy, paste. Okay. This is our floating representation, and I'm trying to make this as integer. See, I'm showing the procedure how to change the data type. We need to right click on the data type which is currently in use. Go to representation. You see, we have four different options. Option one is floating. मैं नोट्स में चेक करिए आप लोग कितने किस्म के फ्लोटिंग है बोला था मैं EXT, DBL, SGL, इसके बारे में नहीं बताया हमें, डोंट वरी, तीन है बोल के बोला था. प्लीज चेक योर नोट्स. I told you floating is of three types. One is EXT, 80
Next
bits,
DBL, SGL.
DBL and SGL. ठीक है?
Yes.
अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मालूम है? I am changing this to integer one. Okay? Integer में कितने किस्म के बोला था? I told you. I8, I16, I32 and I64. मैं एक कोई एक I ले ले रहा हूँ. I am taking I, DBL है ना, I32 I am taking. Integer 32. ठीक है, इसको और एक बार कॉपी कर रहा हूं मैं और एक बार पेस्ट कर रहा हूं so that I will demonstrate you about other type of integer. और एक कौन सा integer है बाबा? कौन सा है, जल्दी से बोलो.
Unsigned integer.
वेरी गुड, अनसाइंड वाला ले लिया हूं. इसको मैं क्या कर रहा हूं मालूम है? आई एम कॉलिंग दिस टू बी साइन इंटीजर, राइट?
Yes.
और इसको क्या बोलूंगा मैं?
Unsigned integer.
वेरी गुड, अनसाइन इंटीजर. और कितने हैं, और कितने बच्चे में है? साइन, अनसाइन और एक कोई है ना? देयर इज वन मोर.
Complex?
वेरी गुड. लेट अस कवर द कॉम्प्लेक्स आल्सो. इसको क्या करेंगे? कॉम्प्लेक्स बोल के चेंज करेंगे. द लास्ट रो इज कवरिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स. कॉम्प्लेक्स में मैं बोला तीन किस्म के हैं, 32, 64 and 80. This is complex. Right? So we have taken all types of numeric data types. Here, Boolean में क्या करूँगा? All different Boolean examples I will demonstrate with the help of one application which is already developed in LabVIEW. और इसके अलावा और क्या है? Enumerated. I will demonstrate about enumerated in next example. तो Boolean भी निकाल दो यहाँ से. या फिर conventional Boolean I will explain you right now. आप लोग yes बोलो तो yes, आगे बढ़ो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm adding few nodes to these data types. So I'm adding like plus node I am adding here. So here also I am adding plus node. एक इसके लिए भी plus node add कर लीजिए या फिर multiplication, whatever you want you can do, no problem. चलिए complex के लिए भी add कर देंगे, right?
सर सबको प्लस लगा है।
हाँ, सबको प्लस लगा। What is the intention of this example? To demonstrate. जल्दी से बोलो।
टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट ऑल डेटा टाइप्स।
Yes, very good. अब देखो, एक तो मैं डेटा टाइप ले ले रहा हूँ, I am taking other constant, create constant. Simply I am taking a constant number. I am adding simply with some 2.07. Right? Similarly here. Adding with the constant. ये वायर को थोड़ा क्लीन कर दो, राइट क्लिक हियर, क्लीन अप वायर। ओके, अब ये साइन का देखने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इसको इन ऑर्डर टू सी फॉर साइन मैं इसको क्या करूं, सब्सट्रैक्टर कर दे रहा हूं। आई एम रिप्लेसिंग एडर विथ ए सब्सट्रैक्टर, इसको सब्सट्रैक्टर बना देंगे, क्यों, देन ओनली वी कैन गेट टू नो वेदर दिस इज रियली ए साइन नंबर और नॉट, करेक्ट?
यस
ठीक है
सर।
ना? सिमिलरली अनसाइन टू बी में आई एम रिप्लेसिंग विथ सब्सट्रैक्टर, adding a constant. Right click, create a constant. अभी इसके constant के बारे में difference देखो, please observe the difference between this constant and other constants. कैसा दिख रहा है आपको ये?
ब्लैक।
इसके complexion पे नको जाओ जी बाबा। इसमें देखो, it is having two information, one is
It
real
has
part and
imaginary.
another one
Imaginary, sir.
imaginary, right? और ये दूसरे constant देखो, ये अलग दिख रहे हैं ना?
यस सर, ओनली
Yeah, observe the difference, in terms of colors and in terms of their representation. ठीक है? जो boolean का भी एक example ले लेता हूँ मैं, but I will cover about all boolean in next example. I'm taking one exclusive OR gate. I'm creating a constant. Right? अब सबको एक आउटपुट लगा दो, राइट क्लिक, क्रिएट इंडिकेटर, राइट क्लिक, क्रिएट इंडिकेटर, राइट क्लिक, क्रिएट इंडिकेटर, क्रिएट इंडिकेटर। चलिए, अब ये सबको क्लियर है? यस, नो? ऑब्जर्व
Clear,
वन
sir.
थिंग, ऑब्जर्व वन थिंग।
सर वो x माइनस वाई क्या है सर? 2।
इसको निकाल दूंगा, it's of no use. See here, the moment I break any one wiring, ये क्या दिख रहा है? Are you able to see the arrow get broken? Observe this once more. If all wirings are clear, then the shape of this arrow is perfect. The moment any syntax error is looking in our program, you see this arrow is becoming broken. So it indicates that there are some errors in our program. That I will cover immediately after this. That is called as troubleshooting and debugging a VI. Now tell me whether these things are clear or not.
क्लियर सर।
Yeah, have you taken this in your notebook?
यस सर।
Now I am demonstrating. I am running this VI. पहले थोड़ा सा इसको अच्छे अरेंज कर लेंगे। अरेंज दिस। और सबसे पहले फ्लोटिंग है ना, तो फ्लोटिंग ऊपर रखिए, देन let it be. See, I am giving floating number 23.5, and you see the answer here. 23.5 plus 2 is equal to 25.5. Is it clear? One second.
सर ये फ्रंट पैनल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड दिख रहा है सर।
नहीं, कुछ भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, सिंपल है। बड़ा कर दो स्क्रीन। इज इट ओके नाउ? कुछ भी नहीं है, देयर इज नथिंग कॉम्प्लिकेशन, nothing complicated in this. I am simply running this continuously. I am giving input with the help of controls, and accordingly you see output is changing. Is this clear?
Clear, sir.
यस सर।
अभी इधर देखिए, आई एम चेंजिंग नाउ साइन इंटीजर। Okay, sign integer result is also changing. Sorry, unsigned integer result is also changing. ये क्यों change हो रहा है? One second. Okay. Exclusive R. Then next, complex. Real part I am giving, imaginary part I am giving. Result is coming. You see here, the sign result is having sign, unsigned number is not having any sign. Whatever number you give, मैं इसको छोटा कर देता हूँ, देखिए, I am making this 2, even though there is no representation of sign. Are you able to see that? इधर देखो, unsigned number में क्या कर रहा हूँ मालूम है? 2 minus 20 कर रहा हूँ। आंसर कितना आना चाहिए?
-18।
-18.
Because it is unsigned number, that's why the answer is not coming to be negative. Instead, it is coming in different form. That is called as 2's complement representation. So, one point you need to remember is there is no sign in unsigned number, and there is a sign in signed number, and there are fractional representation as well as the integer representation in floating number. And complex number is having provision to represent real as well as imaginary. इतना समझना है ये एग्जांपल से. Hope it is clear to everybody.
यस सर क्लियर। सर वो फ्रंट का फॉन्ट बड़ा नहीं हो सकता?
होता ना, बड़ा होता ना। वन सेकंड, वन सेकंड, अभी 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 बढ़ा दूंगा। Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Okay.
1 second. अरे अभी ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Change the value of complex number and observe the difference. Change the value of floating number and observe the difference here. Change the value of Boolean and observe the difference. Change the value of unsigned number. मैं इसको 30 कर देता हूँ. 30 minus 2, 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. Signed number. Okay. 34 minus 2 is equal to 32. अभी इसको क्या करता हूँ? मतलब 2 कर देता हूँ. हाँ 1 कर देता हूँ. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. ये ठीक है? Is it
Yes.
clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir, small question. Unsigned,
Please, please.
is it only for positive integers?
Positive?
Unsigned integer के results only positive integers में आ सकता है.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
मगर negative integer तो बहुत randomized number दिखा कुछ.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Can I take his question? It needs 2-3 minutes explanation.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah. He asked a question. If suppose somebody attempt to represent a negative number using unsigned representation, then the thing which may happen is we do not have any provision to represent the negative number. Then system attempt to make it 2's complement representation. 2's complement representation means मेरे को whiteboard लेना पड़ेगा. 1 second. मैं ले लो ना ये क्वेश्चन. फिर बोलेंगे आप लोग डीप डिस्कशन में जा रहे बोल के.
नहीं सर लीजिए.
You see here. (63rd) bit and this is first bit. So what we need to do is, in order to represent a negative number, negative समझ जाओ -2 है. We need to represent this -2 number in binary. Okay, using the digits. How many bits? 64 bit. तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे आप? First write down about 2. 2 कैसे लिखेंगे? 64 में 4 कितने होते हैं बाबा? There are how many 4s in 64?
4 4
4 4 का
64.
अरे क्या हो रहा है जी भाई?
16.
अरे 64 में 4 कितने होते हैं?
16 होते हैं सर. 16 होते हैं ना.
अच्छा 16 4 डालूंगा मैं. ओके.
Yes.
लास्ट वाला यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ 0 0 1 2. इसका मतलब क्या है? This number is positive 2. Agree?
Yes.
In 64 representation. अभी मेरे को क्या करना है मालूम है?
सर 0 0 1 2 क्यों लिखे आप?
भाई मैं 1 2 गलत लिखा. 0 0 1 0 आना चाहिए.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. अभी मेरे को क्या करना है मालूम है? I need to make it -2. -2 करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? What is the procedure available? 2's टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट, राइट?
यस
टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसा बनाऊंगा मैं? पहले 100 को 1 1 1 1 कर दूंगा। लास्ट में ये 1 1 हो जाएगा, ये 1 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 0 हो जाएगा,
0 हो जाएगा, 0 1
1। फिर क्या करना पड़ेगा मेरे को?
सम
1 ऐड करना, राइट?
यस
ये कितना हो गया भाई? 1 + 1
1 और विथ 1 0 कैरी 1 अगेन 1 1 1।
तो क्या बोलेंगे मालूम है ये नंबर को? अब आप ये नंबर को क्या बोलेंगे बताइए मुझे। विच इज -2।
13 सर।
13 नहीं होता वो, खाली इतना ही नहीं देखना है, ये
अच्छा
पूरे लिखते आए।
सर।
तो क्या हो जाएगा मालूम है? f 4 into हाउ मेनी इज इक्वल टू 64 बोला तो क्या बोलेगी तुम लोग?
16.
4 into 16 is 64.
6 4 the 24 की 2 कैरी 1 4 the 4 5 6। ओके, तो ये नंबर इतना होता है देखो।
F F F E होता है सर।
f f f 1 2 3 4 5 6
सर
7।
लास्ट में E आता नहीं?
लास्ट में ये आ जाए,
यस
ठीक है? अब ये
Yes,
नंबर
sir.
आप क्या बोलेंगे? ये गार्बेज ही बोलेंगे ना। बाय सीइंग द नंबर यू कैन नॉट से दैट इट इज -2।
यस सर।
हाँ, वो है उसका आंसर।
यस सर, अंडरस्टूड। इंटरेस्टिंग सर।
नो प्रॉब्लम। चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे।
यस
Now I'm going to show you about enumerated data type। तो मैं क्या करूंगा मालूम है? ये सब को निकाल दूंगा। So here also I will remove everything। Enumerated data type। Now right click here, go to enumerated data type, take one enumerated data type in this, right click, edit items। एक बार फिर बताता हूं मैं। Select it, right click and select the option edit items। Okay, and in the items अभी अभी ये किसके लिए बना रहे हैं? I'm simply creating four different data types, right? A B C D। Insert B, insert C, insert D, insert। आप चाहे तो ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं। सेलेक्ट कर लो इसको, मूव अप, मूव अप, मूव अप, मूव अप। A is 0। Select B, move up, move up, move up। B is 1। Select C, move up, move up। C is 2। D, move up। Okay, so after this press OK। You see this data type is actually containing 4 different values: A, B, C, D। A corresponds to 0, B corresponds to 1,
1
C corresponds to 2
2
and D corresponds to
3
3, right? अभी मैं
यस
इसका इस्तेमाल बताऊंगा। I will show you the use of it। ये काफी एग्जांपल्स में आपको दिखेंगे। You can see the videos also। मैं बिफोर गोइंग टू शो यू एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस थोड़ा व्हाइट बोर्ड का यूज करना चाहूंगा। आई वांट टू मेक यूज ऑफ दिस व्हाइट बोर्ड।
सर।
हाँ बताइए।
सर 328
अरे सॉरी, रोक देंगे फिर?
yes sir कल continue
We will continue this in next class.
yes
टाइम दिख रहा ही नहीं, बहुत खटाखट चले रहा।
सर आपको अटेंडेंस सेंड कर देते सर,
ओके ओके।
सब जने वेट करो जरा।
अच्छा थोड़ा सा मेरे को फीडबैक दो। आर वी गोइंग राइट और डू वी नीड टू डिक्रीज द लेवल ऑफ डिलीवरी? डू आई नीड टू decrease the level of delivery? Please give me
What do you mean
feedback.
by delivery, sir?
Like do I need